What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a biological community of interconnecting organisms and systems. But what does this mean? To use a rainforest ecosystem as an example, we can see abundant and varied flora and fauna. But why? There are two main factors that affect an ecosystem: biotic influences, animals in the food chain, and abiotic influences, weather and geography. The Earth is covered in many different ecosystems: forests, deserts, freshwater and saltwater systems, to name a few. Abiotic systems tend to affect which species of plants and animals live together and which affect each other. Returning to our example, in rainforests, the warm, wet climate allows larger trees and other vegetation to grow, therefore allowing the herbivores of that area to thrive as the carnivores' numbers grow to account for the large food supply. An example of an artificial ecosystem we can see right now is the Belvedere College urban farm. In our farm, we have a closed, flowing, freshwater system with many different species of organisms, from tilapia to catfish and mealworms to pak choi. But how does the farm work? As the fish excrete into the water, this excrement is converted into fertilizer by the bacteria in the system. This effluent water is then transported to the plants. We then use the plants to feed our colony of mealworms, which can be used to feed the fish, closing the loop of biotic influences. As we control the system, our abiotic influences are the temperature, which is controlled, and the substrate we decide to plant on, i.e. a bed of rocks, or our nutrient film technique troughs. Our biotic system is the process of plants to mealworms to fish to bacteria to plants. All these factors coexist to allow balance and codependency. Now that we know what an ecosystem is, how have humans affected the ecosystems of Earth? Starting with how humans have created a new ecosystem. In recent years, the human race has urbanized huge areas of the Earth. The urban landscape is a unique ecosystem, as the environment was created by humans, with large tarred roads which collect a lot of heat, and the large amount of emissions from transport and energy production which keep this heat from escaping. This environment is completely unique and akin to a desert. However, as in a desert, some animals and plants have adapted to urban environments. Pigeons nest high in buildings and feast upon the leftovers from humans, and peregrine falcons eat those pigeons, which are in abundance due to the large amount of food available in cities. Not only are humans creating their own ecosystems, they are also affecting and in most cases destroying the ecosystems of other animals. With the aim of creating more farmland, people are decimating rainforests and destroying some of the most diverse areas on Earth. In conclusion, in the attempt to create ecosystems of their own, humans are failing to achieve the balance and codependency seen in natural environments, while also destroying some of the most diverse areas on Earth.